Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the HP Envy Inspire 7958E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. I'm super excited to dive into the details of this incredible device, and I think you'll be just as impressed as I am. From printing documents to quality borderless photos, this printer is perfect for all your needs. But what really sets it apart? Let's find out. First off, the HP Envy Inspire 7958E is from America's most trusted printer brand, which already gives you a sense of reliability and quality. With print speeds of up to 10 pages per minute in color and 15 pages per minute in black, you can get your work done quickly and efficiently. But it's not just about speed. The quality of the prints is also top-notch. Whether you're printing documents or photos, the results are vibrant and crisp, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. And with the ability to print borderless photos in multiple sizes, you can create stunning images that will impress anyone. One of the features that really caught my attention is the HP Plus Smart features. By activating HP Plus, you get access to advanced features like mobile printing, security, and automatic updates, which make your printing experience even more convenient and secure. With HP Plus, you can print from anywhere, at any time, using your mobile device, and you'll also get instant ink delivery, so you never run out of ink when you need it most. This feature is a game changer for anyone who wants to stay connected and productive on the go. And the best part? It's easy to set up and use, even for those who aren't tech savvy. Another key feature of the HP Envy Inspire 7958E is its ability to print, copy, scan, and even fax, all from one device. The automatic two-sided printing feature is a huge time saver, and the separate photo tray and auto document feeder make it easy to handle different types of paper and documents. And with mobile and wireless printing, you can print from your smartphone, tablet, or PC without having to be physically connected to the printer. This level of flexibility and convenience is hard to find in other printers on the market. But what really gets me excited is the vibrant photo printing capability of the HP Envy Inspire 7958E. With true-to-phone quality prints, you can relive your favorite memories in stunning detail. And with custom photo features in the HP Smart app, you can enhance and edit your photos before printing them. The HP 5x5-inch square and 4x12 panoramic photo paper sizes are optimized for the HP Envy Inspire series, so you can create unique and professional-looking photos that will impress your friends and family. The HP Smart app is another feature that deserves a mention. With this app, you can print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone, tablet, or PC, making it easy to manage your printing tasks on the go. The app is user-friendly and intuitive, and it allows you to access a range of features and settings, from print quality to paper type, all from one convenient interface. In conclusion, the HP Envy Inspire 7958E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer is an incredible device that offers a range of features and benefits that make it perfect for home use. With its fast print speeds, vibrant photo printing, and advanced smart features, it's the perfect solution for anyone who wants to stay productive and creative. So, if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the HP Envy Inspire 7958E. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today, and experience the power and convenience of this amazing printer for yourself. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.